Dear faculty members, research scholars, and PG students, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about how to create equations and cross references while writing our research paper. Suppose if we like to insert equations while writing our research paper, we have to care about the order of the equations, that is the number order of the equations and the proper cross references. If we include more than 20-30 equations, definitely it will be create confusion while giving the numbers of the equation and cross references also. Suppose in between if you include any other equations, that is also creating problem while writing manual numbers. So that here I am giving demonstration how to create equations and also how to give cross references in the paragraph in the MS Word. Let us assume this is the paragraph. I am going to write a equation. Before writing equation, I am creating my template, equation template. So I am using 2 by 1 table here. So I am going to create a template. So like this, I am reducing one cell size. Here the first column I am inserting equation. In this version, that is I am using Office 365, here the equation is available, and the previous older version also equation available, and apart from this equation you can get the equation, third party equation in the object option. So here I am using this equation. The equation is inserted, and I can justify this equation or left or right, whatever you like, but most probably we need to justify left. So here I am justifying the equation in the left, and simultaneously I am going to insert caption. So in the references, insert caption. So generally the captions are available, labels are available, that is equation label and figure label and table label. For equation I am using the equation label, and suppose if you need equation 1 label, we can exclude, that is uncheck this box, and suppose if you don't want to, that is label, it is only displaying caption. So for equation numbering system, so we need to give only caption only. So that I am giving a checkbox here. So I am created, and I am copy this caption into this cell, and also I am formatting this one. So bracket I am giving. So now I am going to remove the borders of the table, that is no borders. So I am and after that I am creating a template using insert, explore quick pods. There auto text is available. In the auto text I am save selection to auto text gallery. So here I am giving my equation. Okay, so now template is created. So now I am deleting this template. So after that, wherever we like, we can insert the equations using the same auto text. Here my equation is there. So insert a equation, and here using this equations option I can enter whatever I like. So based on your requirement you can choose the format here, x square, like this. And next I am inserting one more equation here, my equation. So automatically the number will be assigned. So here I am giving some other bracket, and I am giving this one. So like that, whatever you like you can give like that. And again I am inserting one more equation. So like that we can give the equations. Suppose if you like to insert before the equations already created, so here I am inserting and the equation, my equation here. But here the number is 1, but rest of others are 1, 2, 3. So just I am selecting all. Here right click on this equation and update field, so it will be updated 1, 2, 3, 4. So like that we can update. So suppose if you like to insert here again my equation, so now 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, so 2 times it is coming. So again I am giving one value, again I am selecting all and right click on this update equation, so it is updating. So now we are created equations. So if you like to give cross references using this equation, that is in the first paragraph, end of this paragraph I am giving cross reference equation here, that is references. Here I am giving the insert cross reference. There we have to choose the equation. So already created, whatever we created equations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here is available. Insert, I am giving insert, close. So equation number 1. So again here giving equation, insert caption, equation number 2. So in this case again I am inserting new equation here, auto text, my equation. So here I am giving 1, 2. So I am selecting again. So note down again. So here I am update the field. So automatically this equation is changed into 3. Previously it was 2. Now it is 3. And one more thing, in the paragraph line, suppose if you like to give any special characters or equation, again we can use directly this equation here, and using of that is already, suppose in the paragraph its default is already the line equations. For example here I am giving the x plus y, so it is automatically change into line. Okay, suppose here you can insert the equation directly, means what will happen, there are two options are there. So change to inline. Okay, so but while directly you can use in the paragraph, for example again I am giving insert, so automatically it will change to inline. So change to display means it is a big size, change to inline means it is accommodated with the paragraph. Here I am giving a plus b, so like that. So it will accommodate in the paragraph font size. So like that we can create our equations. I hope you understand how to create equations and cross references. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.